Happy Halloween, everybody.
I doubt this will come out. It's probably come out after Halloween.
Hold on. There's 5 episodes are up right now.
Yeah. Halloween is Saturday.
Hang on. Let me look at my volumes we did. Okay, so 6 will come out tomorrow. 7 will come out Thursday. 8 will come out Friday. Okay, so this episode will come out next Tuesday. So, happy past Halloween, everybody. We had such a blast on Halloween. Wasn't it great, Angelica? They have to think we did something. I dressed like Lollipop Chainsaw Girl. I got arrested.
Because you got a real chainsaw.
Yeah. And I forgot to wear the underwear. What's a coos? Okay. Urban Dictionary.
Show me your words.
What's a coos? Okay. Coos. Noun. North American. Vulgar slang. A woman's genitals. A woman, especially one regarded as sexually attractive or promiscuous. Oh, here we go. Urban Dictionary is the best. It's glitter. A coos is a superficial, shallow, provincial, and generally ignorant girl who is so intellectually and socially repulsive that their only redeeming qualities come in the form of sex appeal. Thus, their only value of society comes in the form of their oozing, jizz-filled vag.
Gross. Did you need that image?
They are often sluts and are commonly considered the most contemptible, I can't say that word, worthless wastes of life on the planet. Oh, god damn it. Don't pick up the phone. I don't want to talk to that worthless fucking coos. Society would seriously better off if she'd fucking die in a fire. Submitted by Jean-Paul St. Croix. 10 words related to coos.
Here we go. Learning. All learning.
Here's a... Oh, God. I don't know if I want to say this one. The other definition for coos. Wet, slimy pussy, or the cum that comes out of it. Also spelled coos.
Why?
I'm sorry. Snapper. Snapper. Wishing well. The vertical smile. Oh, this is bad. I gotta stay off of Urban Dictionary. Oh, you can get it on a shirt. There's like 2 pages for just this word alone. You know what? I'm feeling lucky on Urban Dictionary. Let's see what their words of the day are. Ew. Lactivist. A woman who nurses her child in public as a protest against people uncomfortable with seeing breastfeeding.
Not just feeding your kid.
I don't know. I mean, I understand. I'm not... It makes me go, ugh. But at the same time, I get it. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do. But at the same time, it's like, there's a baby and a booby over there. Like, just... I know, but it's...
Everybody's weird about it.
I mean, it's what it is. It's your right to do it. If you're in that state or city or whatever that's cool with it. But at the same time, just a little... Like, that health... that shake. What was that shake joint we went to? You wanted a milkshake that one day. Or something. Or a smoothie. Smoothie King.
Smoothie King? I was like...
Yeah, we went to Smoothie King, and there was a woman breastfeeding in there. And walking on, like, the woman's breastfeeding. And you're like, I don't care.
I want my
What's
smoothie
on the menu?
Yeah.
I'm like, there's a bath house. There's a bath over there. Ugh.
Oh my god. Why isn't this working? I fucking looked at this video. They just destroyed a whole bunch of these speakers, and then they destroyed his speaker, and then a big speaker came from the ceiling. Why is this so fucking hard?
Destroy the speakers!
Go ham and cheese. Go hard as a motherfucker when you eat. Nice. I like that. Oh, become a teacher online.
Can't wait!
This is not the time to start your career as a teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Pedo stack. Yeah, I know what those are. I can kind of grow one. Unfortunately. Auto erect. When text is auto-corrected into something sexual. That's awesome. This is gonna be the whole episode.
You just reading
I'm gonna read
Urban
stuff on the
Dictionary.
Urban Dictionary.
I don't know what it wants to be. I really don't.
From me. Oh, this is good.
No, it's not. It was nothing.
Oh.
I'm just pushing buttons.
Did they use their heavy attack for the whole thing?
I don't know what they just. Oh my god. We just do something.
Destroy the speakers!
I am Nick.
Wow.
Thank you.
Bobby looking slut!
Snapchat slap. Snapchat slap is the act of waking a person up by slapping them in the face with your phone while taking a video using Snapchat. That's kind of cool. I'd never think to do that.
Half of this stuff, like people, like the names for stuff, I'm like, who would do this to somebody? It's always terrible.
Netchicks and chill for one. A euphemism for masturbation. Typically used by a
okay,
single
because the
man.
new fucking meme's out.
Resting asshole face. It's resting bitch face for men. More issues than Vogue. When you imply that your amount of issues problems are greater than the amount of issues in the famous magazine company. Okay. Oh, maintenance poop. The act of visiting the bathroom with the intention to only urinate, but instead relieve a little poop as well, as a means to prolong the time between your next bathroom visit.
Alright. Good to know.
What's that? Where's a good one? Hang on.
Where's a good one?
No, there's a really good one. I think it's... I want to say it's the San Francisco thank you.
Your pain is my heart!
San Francisco. Oh. But it's the San Fran thank you. Of course, I can never remember how to spell San Francisco. I think those are the best, like, dirty things that have that are named after a city.
No. They're
Yeah.
the worst. They're the most disgusting, depraved thing people come up with. Which, who wants that? Who wants any of that stuff? It's always disgusting.
Well, I've just been put in my place, so,
And it's always, and I did it!
Did you do it?
I did something!
Holy shit!
Oh, I don't know what.
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Fuck that speaker up.
Oh my god.
He said coos again. I know what that means now because I looked it up on Urban Dictionary.
Join me on stage
Get out.
for a death jam.
What a dick.
He's the boss. He's supposed to be.
Oh yeah, that's right. Vanilla slut. Well, that's just
Oh
rude.
my god. I did it.
You know you have like one more phase of it.
Yeah, I know.
Where are these speakers coming from? Uh-oh. Cutting him in half?
Die! Just die! And stay dead! No, he's probably not dead.
Actually hurt a little bit.
Duct tape himself. Oh. Now's the real fight.
To see you die.
Yes, we've heard that this whole time.
Do you know how to beat him now?
I don't know.
Well, I'll look it up.
It looks like I'm just hitting him this time.
Oh, never mind. That health bar is going down.
I just gotta avoid.
London is calling, and they say you're a whore.
Stop making fun of her.
You die.
Shit. B, B, B. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, this sucks.
That was some
Yeah,
Jackie
fuck
Chan.
Nick. You joke.
You know, I wish he would, like, instead of being obvious, like, with things you're supposed to do, and then be like, oh, that sucks, be supportive. Why don't you be
Be
a
like, you
cheerleader?
got that, girl.
Yeah. Get on with your bad self.
Yeah.
He's being very, this guy's being very derogatory toward you as a woman. Like, your best guy there.
Your
Definitely.
past pal.
Yeah. Be a little bit more supportive of you.
Oh my god. A little bit more.
Whoa.
Fucking giant letter bullshit.
Yeah, that's. Oh!
Snap! My fucking thumb is on fire. I did it.
Zed's dead, baby.
It's dead.
That's from a movie.
Yeah.
That's from Pulp Fiction.
Yeah.
You ever see Pulp Fiction?
Several times. I saw it in theaters.
Really?
Yeah, they played it at
Oh, you
Cinema
didn't see
Center.
it? Okay.
Yeah, I saw. What? It came out in '89.
No, it came out like 97. 96.
I don't. Either way, I still a baby.
Rip.
I was 6, 7 when it came out, so I was a baby.
You were born in 90...
89.
89.
Yeah. So we were
Oh,
6 or 7.
Oh, yeah,
You're a little bit older
I'm
than me.
3 years older than
I'm
you.
3 older than you.
I'm this many.
Judy.
I wouldn't have been a baby. You were 6 or 7. That's not a baby.
I'm still not old enough to see Pulp Fiction.
Oh, my first movie I've ever seen in theaters was Die Hard.
What?
I was like 2 or 3.
Oh my
and
god.
my mom was like, "You want to go to the movies?" I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "What do you want to see?" Die Hard.
I'm an adult.
We went. She said took me to see Die Hard. She said I enjoyed it too. Like, I don't remember it. The earliest I remember is seeing Ninja Turtles 2 or 1 with a friend who wasn't really a friend. I was at that age where I was just friends with my mom's friends' kids.
So you were just friends out of
Yeah. And I don't think we even liked
out
each
of
other.
convenience.
My mom went, my uncle went with a friend of his, and they sat somewhere else because they were cool.
Not sitting with these goddamn kids can
Yeah.
talk through the whole
Bunch
movie.
of 12-year-olds get to sit by themselves, but no, not me. I was 4 or 5. Oh,
Oh, I have this for you, Judy.
she's gonna fall on her boobs again.
Happy birthday, Juliet.
Oh, it really is her birthday.
Always my
I thought that was just a bunch of horse shit. I didn't know it was really her birthday. Aww.
He's dead.
Just like in Star Wars.
There he goes, up to heaven.
Oh, he's like Obi-Wan. Or
Yes, just like Obi-Wan.
or any other cliche old man that's the teacher of the hero. I get Papa the Rapper vibes off this game. With the ridiculousness and the
Okay,
music.
it's like sure.
Like the music theme to it. Alright, well, we're gonna look at that bitchin' new weapon. We're gonna see what it
Amp
does
it up.
next time on Let's Lose.
Now that's a sweet ride.